And the complainant advised she heard a male tell the driver to go, go, go.
A small farm animal. I will do everything in my power to protect my community at all cost. And if you force my hand, I only have one place for you. Do you understand?
Sir.
Go, go, go! Those were the last words a terrified woman heard before a gold Tahoe screamed out of a Houston parking lot. But those 6 seconds of chaos, they only scratched the surface of what just happened in this courtroom. Meet Adan Ruiz. He's facing jail time for a brazen burglary. But the story is much messier than a simple grab and dash. Police found a camo hoodie and a getaway car with counterfeit plates. Yet they can't actually prove who was physically inside the victim's vehicle. Was it Ruiz? Or was he just the driver for his accomplice? Ruiz claims he's a productive, working citizen now, but his long history of felony evading and retaliation says otherwise. With a potential 25-year sentence looming, will the judge believe his story? If you want to see exactly how seasoned judges spot a lie before the defendant even finishes their sentence, hit subscribe for more daily courtroom breakdowns. Let's see how this unfolded from day one.
You are Adan Ruiz.
Sir.
Mr. Ruiz, you're charged with 2 cases. You're charged with burglary of a motor vehicle and tampering with a government document. On the burglary case, you're facing up to a year in jail. Likewise with the tampering, up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one will be appointed to you, sir.
On March 20th, 2025, an officer was dispatched to a burglary of a motor vehicle that occurred in the Old Navy parking lot in Harris County, Texas. The officer spoke with 2 witnesses who viewed the incident. Witness 1 stated the suspect motor vehicle pulled up to the complainant's motor vehicle, and the suspect was wearing a camo hoodie and had gotten out and pulled the door handle of the complainant's motor vehicle, attempting to open it, setting off the alarm at the same time. Witness 1 advised the suspect got back into the car and drove to another area of the parking lot, parked, and waited for the alarm to stop alerting. Witness 1 stated once the alarm stopped making noise, the suspect drove back over to the complainant's motor vehicle, parked, and the suspect in the passenger seat got out and was able to make entry into the complainant's motor vehicle. The complainant advised that she was walking up to her vehicle when she saw a Hispanic male wearing a camo jacket hoodie sitting in the driver's seat of her vehicle. The complainant stated the suspect saw her walking up, jumped out of her vehicle, got into the passenger side of a vehicle waiting with an unreadable paper plate. And the complainant advised she heard a male tell the driver to go, go, go. Another officer advised he was patrolling when a gold Tahoe, which was the description in the vehicle before, driving at a high rate of speed past him. A traffic stop was initiated of that vehicle. The officer was able to send pictures from the witness showing the suspect vehicle leaving the location to other officers who were able to verify the suspect vehicle. After further investigation and search of the vehicle, a camo jacket was found in the rear seat and a flat pointed screwdriver consistent with the tool that would be used to break the lock on the complainant's vehicle store. Defendant 1, Ruiz, is a registered owner of the Tahoe, but the motor vehicle was displaying a counterfeit paper tag that did not come back registered to any person or any vehicle. Defendant 1 was identified by his SPIN number and booking photos. Defendant 2, Cerna, was identified with his SPIN and booking photos.
Who was the one who actually went allegedly into the car? Was that Cerna or was that Ruiz? And is Cerna here?
No, just.
Oh yeah, he has 2 felony warrants. On Cerna, bond gets revoked at 10,002.
I am not able to tell which of the suspects was the one allegedly wearing the camo hoodie and the one that physically entered the vehicle from the dim summary.
Mr. Ruiz, since 2020, evading felony evading, theft, felony retaliation, assault of a family member, felony unlawful carrying of a weapon, felony theft, and now tampering and a burglary of a motor vehicle. I want you to understand that I'm going to do everything in my power to protect my community at all costs. I don't care who you are. I don't care what color you are. If you're a small farm animal, I will do everything in my power to protect my community at all costs. You are not to hang around with defendants. I'm going to put a GPS monitor on you and I'm giving you a curfew. I don't want you out in the middle of the night. You're not to use alcohol, illegal drugs, and I'm telling you now, I'm going to test you like crazy. If I find that you're using, it's not going to go well for you. You understand?
Sir,
What do you do in life now? You work?
sir,
Did you graduate from high school?
sir.
You did?
No, sir. I got my diploma, my GED.
What are you doing now? Are you working?
Yes, sir.
Good. I want to know that you're actually working and that you're going to be a productive citizen. When people have too much time on their hands, they become self-destructive. And you now are headed for a 25-year sentence or an actual death sentence because people in Houston, they like their guns and they like their cars. And if you muck with the wrong person, they're going to shoot your ass dead. It happens at least once every other month here. We have someone who's dead because of a gunshot because they break into the wrong law. You understand?
Sir.
You are not to go within 500 feet of where this person lives, works. Is it an apartment complex? What is it?
This was at an Old Navy parking lot, Your Honor.
I don't want you going anywhere near there. Is it a part? Is it like a mall? Guys, 9 p.m. to 6 a.m. No drugs, no alcohol, no weapons, no contact with the co-defendant. GPS monitor today with a 500-foot exclusion from where this offense occurred. I will give you a lawyer today.
Sir.
I'm going to do everything in my power to help you straighten up and fly right. And if you force my hand, I only have one place for you. Do you understand?
Sir.
Hang with dogs, you get fleas.
It's a strip mall, Your Honor.
Whatever that strip mall is, he's not to go there. And then, so Blaze, if you don't mind sending that to them, please.
Absolutely.
All right, Mr. Ruiz, I'm going to have you sign a reset with Victoria. I'll have you meet with Preachout, and then I'm going to have you take a seat in the jury box while we get you a lawyer.
Sir.
It's okay. We'll just have him.
Will
Mr. Ruiz,
you come here so we can swim?
you're not allowed to drive. You're signing an affidavit with me today, promising you're not going to drive.
Sir.
Don't. I don't care what's going on in your life. You cannot justify driving for any reason.
So Adan Ruiz walked out with a GPS monitor and a strict ban on driving. But was the judge's bizarre warning about protecting farm animals a sign of personal bias or necessary community protection? Comment below, Team Judge or Team Ruiz? Does Adan deserve a second chance to work, or is he just a ticking time bomb? Hit like if you think Houston streets got a little safer today. Share this with your true crime circle.